If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To edit a record in a table's datasheet view in Access, click into the desired field of the record to edit to place the insertion point into the field. Then edit the field information as you would in a text document. To save the changes, exit the cell. Changes to the data in a table are automatically saved as you make them. You only need to click the Save button that appears in the Quick Access toolbar after making a structural change to a table, like widening a column's display, or adding or deleting columns in the table in Design View. To delete an entire record in a table's datasheet view in Access, first click the row selector at the far left end of the record's row to select the entire record. Then press the Delete key on your keyboard, or click the Delete button that appears in the Records button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. You are then prompted to decide whether you really want to delete the record. Click Yes or No in this prompt depending on the situation. But remember that once records are deleted from the table, it is a permanent change and cannot be undone or recovered. This can lead to some frustration with the program if you aren't careful when deleting database records. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.